Solo combining shapes 1, 2, and 5. All right, great job. You've now learned the extended shape and these two new shapes. This will give you a lot more creative freedom and open up new possibilities when learning a bunch of riffs and licks across the fretboard. The solo you just heard involves all of the previous shapes and the extended shape. So in this lesson, you'll be jumping between 3 different shapes in one solo. This might sound a bit challenging to some, but in the following lessons, you'll really get the chance to practice all the parts step by step. So let's start by taking down the tempo of the solo and go through it one more time, slowly. Now let's head on to the first lesson where you'll practice these parts at a slower tempo before gradually building up the speed. Good luck.